How to get $100 Booking.com promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Booking.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Booking.com. Now you can log into your account, book your stays or flights, or also you can rent the cars. And when you confirm it, you will see the section of promo code. Over there, you can paste the code and get the discount. Well, where can you find Booking.com promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Booking.com promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Booking.com. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Wired. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that 10% coupon code, 50% offer, 20% offer, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on copy coupon or view deal. With that, you'll find the code. You can copy it and head towards the website of Booking.com and proceed to promo code page. Over there, paste the code, and with that, you'll get the discount. Or also, what you can do is click on this option of visit Booking.com. Now you can log into your account, book your flights or stays, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. The selected offer will be automatically applied to your stays. Likewise, you can also try out other offers. In this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Also, make sure to go through these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Booking.com. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Booking.com promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.